Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cosine a. So sine 4x we change into 2 multiplied by 2x, and this one you will have about 2 sine 2x cosine 2x. Next, about cosine 2x, we have cosine x squared minus sine x squared, and we know that cosine x squared minus sine x squared we can change into cosine x minus sine x multiplied by cosine x plus sine x. So this one in here we change by this one. So cosine x plus sine x divided by sine x cosine x. So we just have this one 2 sine 2x cosine x minus sine x. Next, about sine 2x, we change 2 sine x cosine x. So number 2 with number 2, you got about number 4. Next, sine x cosine x multiplied by cosine x and sine x. We have sine x cosine x squared minus sine x squared cosine x. And now we need to divide this one into two integrals. The first one we have for the integration sine x cosine x squared, and the second one now let's go to the first one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x du. We have negative sine x ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. Cosine x we change by u, you got about u squared. Sine x ds we change by negative du. The integration of u squared, we got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine x. Now let's go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine x du. We got about cosine x ds. So this one we change by u. Cosine x ds we change by du. And we got about u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. About u, that's about sine x. And now we combine the answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.